Got the first order of the day, an IHOP, $11.50 for $8. I think it said it was going like downtown, so hopefully it's an easy drop off.
Sign this one, please.
Thank you.
And there's the drink with it too. Have a good day.
You too. Well, that wasn't that bad of a wait. Definitely have had a lot worse.
Your destination is on the right.
Well, let's hope I don't get towed. Excuse me? Is this right here? Gotcha. Thank you. Hello.
Hey, thank you very much.
Sure. It's all yours.
Jeez.
Thank you. $8 tip. God damn. Just got my second order of the day. Shop and deliver for some alcohol. $9.50 for 4 miles, I think. It's only one item, and I'm heading in that direction already, so should be a pretty easy one. Thank you.
Your destination is on the left.
This. Morning. And just scribble on that red line. Good enough for me. Simple enough. Just got an Uber order, $10 for 2 miles for McDonald's. Like 90% sure this is gonna be a tip bait, but I took it because it was kind of slow anyways. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I just got an Uber order for River Maiden, like a breakfast coffee place. $13 for 10 miles. Normally I wouldn't take that, but I feel like it's gonna be very slow today, so I'm just taking what I can get. Blue door. Please do not ring bell or knock. Smiley face. You got it, Kelsey. I think I've been here before, actually. Long time ago. Just got a McDonald's order, $7.75 for 4.5 miles.
Your destination is on the right.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Me too. Total was $8.25. There was a hidden tip on that one. Just got a Starbucks order. It was like $8.50 for 4 miles.
Thank you.
Sure. Hello.
There, are you picking up for Autumn?
Yes.
All right, we'll pack that up in a second. Abigail? All right, so yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ. Okay. I see what they mean now. Note said, please don't ring the bell. We have an overexcited pup. Just got a Sherry's Cafe order. I don't remember the payout, but it was good. Got a Chipotle order. Haven't done one of these in a while. $7.25 for like 2 miles, I think it said. Nobody in the parking lot. Please be open. 10:45. They opened in 5 minutes. This lady just walked in, so I'm assuming they're open. Even though the sign says 10:45. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. There's an order on the table. Was that for Lily? You know?
I'm sorry, I can't give it to you. We're not open just yet.
Okay. So they're making me wait, even though the order's ready. Gotta love that. Sure.
What's the name for you?
Lily?
Lily?
Yep. Thank you. Hello. Just dropping off for Lily.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Total ended up being $8.25. So there was a hidden tip on that. So I guess I can't be too mad. Just got a Sherry's order, $8.75 going 5 miles. Right across the street, so let's see if it's ready.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Why am I so long? Are you picking up?
Yeah, for Susanna.
one right here? Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing to put in here, okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
There you go, honey.
Thank you.
Plus the GoPro thing.
Thank you. Oh, coming in? I'm not in a rush.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I lied. I am in a rush.
Then your destination will be on the right.
Is that right there? Take the picture. Holy. $13.75. What the? Thank you. And on that note, I'm gonna start heading home. I'm gonna leave the apps on just in case something pops up before I get home. My total right now is at 92. There's still a few Uber tips yet to come in, so should be putting me over at least $100 for the day. Not even noon yet, so good enough for me. Anyways, bye.